So in a drastic change of events, we sent them the new logs, and moments later they sent the new tunes. So very soon we're going to be doing a poll here with the new tune, finally. Coolant 171.
Yeah, it's almost there.
72. Scrape.
You ready?
Yep. Woo!
Alright, you want to start an actual log?
Yeah. That was epic though. It spools really quick. So we just did an extremely aggressive pull through multiple gears. It pulls extremely hard. Like, it's a magnitude higher than the stock turbo with the wastegate actuator and the tune. It's amazing. And out of all the check engine lights we could have gotten, we have an underboost code. So time to adjust the wastegate actuator and do that again. So as you guys just saw, we did another pull and still underboosting. So for the first time since starting the aggressive tuning on this, we need to go up one spring in the wastegate actuator.
It's making boost while in freaking limp mode.
Limp mode boost! We... this is amazing. So we just put the black spring in it for the first time since we made 30 PSI. Eric got off the phone with Turbobay. They had a few recommendations, and we're probably going to try those at some point.
First, I'm upping the spring to the black spring.
And we're going to see what it does.
Which is a 20-pound spring, about. So
this should be interesting. I will let you know on the boost. If it blows up, you guys saw it here first.
I'm gonna ramp into it slowly.
That was about 27.
Let's do that again.
Yeah. $25, $24, $22, $21, $22, $23.
That's 100.
Oh, okay. We're speeding a little bit.
So that seems to have done it.
Yeah, that was it. It didn't go higher than 27.
That's good, because that's what I had it set to last time.
Nice. Let's do that once more, and I'll watch desired boost. Yeah, that was sort of on the money.
I was seeing 24 there.
It was looking for 23 or 24.
That's what I saw there.
Perfect. Looks like we got it dialed in. That was fast. It's like we know what we're doing now. 93,000 mile rental car. Making like 300 horsepower.
I'm gonna send that log to BNR.
I did not get a log of that.
Oh.
I forgot. So I guess let's get back on the highway.